for northeastern Berks County in eastern Pennsylvania, southwestern Northampton County in eastern Pennsylvania until 4:30 p.m. At 3:48 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Lenhartsville, or 14 miles east of Steelville, moving east at 25 miles per hour. 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Wind damage to roof, fence, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Allentown, Bethlehem, Emmons, Northampton, Thunderstorm, Danburg, Compton, Shoemakersville, Lyons, Lenhartsville, Ness, Town, New Tripoli, Zionsville, Oaks, Clowsville, Wanamaker's, Snakesville, Cosmos, and Toll. This includes the following highways: northeast extension between mile markers 46 and 66. Interstate 70 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 32 and 62. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. for eastern Pennsylvania. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:30 p.m. for the following counties in Pennsylvania: Berks, Lehigh, and Northampton.